uJenene uMasimula utshele ikomiti elibhekela amaphoyisa ePhalamende ukuthi umbutho wakhe usebenza ngokuzikhandla ukulwa nabafuna ngodli imali yokuvikela abantu. Uthi sekuzoba nenombolo yocingo ezosetshenziselwa ukubika lezigameko kuphela.
We will be launching the national line soon, yes. How this lines help is that those business people or anybody else that wouldn't want to name a person by name or come forward to say so and so is collecting at such a place. It gives them opportunity then to phone and give the information to this line.
Amanye amalungu ekomiti lamaphoyisa ePhalamende aveze ukukhathazeka ngokuthi amaphoyisa awazibambi izingcingo.
How is this hotline going to be different from the others? And at times, the number that is given to the public as a hotline is not even answered. The phone just rings and rings and rings.
I-Western Cape, iKwaZulu-Natal kanye ne-Eastern Cape yizona zifundazwe ezihamba phambili ngalobugebengu. Kanti sekujutshwe amaphoyisa ukuthi ayolekelela ukunqanda lobugebengu e-Eastern Cape.
A total number of 104 members have been deployed, including detectives and crime intelligence. The key objective of the intervention is to stabilize the threats with arrest.
Osigaxa mabhande bamaphoyisa bathi sebehlangene nomnyango wezenhlalakahle ukuqinisekisa ukuthi osonhlalakahle baba khona eziteshini zamaphoyisa ukulekelela izisulu zalobugebengu.